You just applied to hundreds of jobs. You waited. You checked every email, every hour. Nothing. No call. No email. Not even a rejection. Just silence. And you started questioning everything. Is my experience not good enough? Is my degree even wrong? Am I too junior or am I too senior? Is the market just that bad? Let me tell you something right now. Stop blaming yourself. Stop blaming the market. The problem is not you. The problem is how you are presenting yourself. And today, we are going to fix that for good. My name is Bot. I'm a manufacturing AI engineer, and I have been on both sides of this conversation. I have been the person sending resumes into the void, hearing nothing, questioning everything, and I have learned through real experience what actually works and what is completely garbage and wasting your time. Today, I am going to share all with you. No recycled LinkedIn advice, no one-size-fits-all template, just the real truth about your resume and why it is being rejected in 2026 and exactly what you should do. Let me tell you something that has completely changed the game in the last 2 years, and nobody is talking about it, honestly. AI resume writers, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all these can help you build resume. Every single candidate is using them now. And on the surface, that sounds great. Better resumes for everyone, right? Wrong. Here's what actually happened. When everyone uses the same AI tools to write their resumes, everyone sounds exactly the same. Same words, same structure, same bullet points, same tired corporate phrases. Something like results-driven professional, passionate about leveraging data to drive insights, strong communication, strong collaboration skills, proven track record of delivering value. I need you to understand something. Recruiters read hundreds of resumes every single day. And right now, they are reading the exact same resume over and over again. Maybe this time with a different name or different names at the top of it. That tool that is supposed to help you stand out is making you invisible. So what do? You use AI to make just the draft, not a finished resume. Generate the draft only. Then you go back to edit every single line. Make it your own words, your real specific results. Make it sound like a human being wrote it because a human did. And that's you. That combination, AI efficiency plus human authenticity, is what makes you stand out. In the sea of identical applications, you have to be different. Now let me talk about the most repeated resume advice on the internet. One resume per job. Customize everything. Tailor every single application. And yes, in a perfect world, that is correct. Let's live in the real world for a moment. You are applying to maybe 50 jobs, 100 jobs per day. You have a full-time job, or you are studying, or maybe you have a family to take care of. You cannot write every resume for every job, for every application. That is not realistic. That is not practical. And everyone telling you otherwise has never been in a serious job search. So here is what you actually do. You build 3 master resumes, not 1, but 3, each one targeted at a different type of role that you are genuinely qualified for. Let me give you an example. If you are an engineer moving into AI, master resume 1 should be engineering focused. That leads with your technical engineering background, your domain expertise, your industry experience. Master resume 2, AI and data focused, leads with some Python skills, your machine learning projects, your data pipeline experience. Master resume 3, hybrid industrial AI focused, combines the best of both worlds. This positions you at the intersection of engineering, domain knowledge, and AI technical skills. Now, when a job comes up, you pick the closest master resume. You make 5 to 10 small targeted tweaks, change the headline to match the job title, swap 2 or 3 bullet points that directly mirror the job description, adjust the skill section to prioritize what they ask for. Done. Just 20 minutes, you're done. Not a full rewrite. Just smart targeted adjustments. This is realistic customization. This is what actually gets the results. Now let me talk about the single biggest mistake that I see on resumes consistently. And this one is killing more applications than anything else. The skill section. Specifically, people keep listing every single tool they have ever touched in their entire life. I have seen resumes with up to 40, 50 skills from Sparkplug, MQTT, Kafka, Airflow, Prefect, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, PyTorch, Keras. No, you don't need all that. AWS, Azure, GCP, Databricks, Power BI, Tableau, Grafana, Hadoop. No, you don't need all that. I want you to hear this clearly. Half of those tools the recruiter has never heard of, or even the hiring manager might not even know they exist. And when a recruiter sees 47 skills on your resume, they do not think, wow, this person is impressive. No, they think, does this person actually know any of these, or they just copied it from somewhere and pasted it into their resume? Because this is exactly what it looks like. And here is the dangerous part. When you list all these skills that you barely know and you get to the interviewer asks you about it, and then you begin to stumble, and suddenly you have lost the job. Not because of your real skills, but because of the fake ones that you added to look more impressive. So here is the rule. 8 to 12 skills maximum, the ones you can speak confidently about, the ones you have used on real projects, the ones where if someone asks you a deep question, you can answer it without sweating. The real skills are enough. List those, only those. Death beats breath every single time. Now let me talk about how you describe experience, because this is where the difference between getting called and getting ignored is decided. So what most people do is they write responsibilities like this. I was responsible for managing data pipelines, assisted with machine learning model development. I supported the analytics team with reporting. I helped maintain the production databases. You need to stop. Nobody is hiring you for what you were responsible for. They are hiring you for what you actually achieve. This is a massive difference. So instead of I was responsible for managing data pipelines, you can write, I built an automated data pipeline processing 2 million records of data, reducing manual processing time by 50%. Take another example. Instead of writing, I assisted with machine learning model development, you can write, I developed anomaly detection model, deployed to production, and reducing unplanned downtime by 34%. Instead of, I supported analytics team with reporting, blah, blah, you can write, I built automated reporting dashboards, saving the analytics team 12 hours of manual work per week. Numbers impact results. This is what stops a recruiter mid-scroll. This is what makes them pick up the phone and give you an interview. So they need the numbers. Estimate conservatively. Improved processing speed by approximately 40%. Reduced manual work by roughly 3 hours per week. Supported a team managing over 200 production assets. Approximate numbers are always better than no numbers at all. Now let me talk about positioning. This is the most important thing I am going to say in this entire video. Most people position themselves too broadly. I am an AI engineer, I am a data scientist, I am a software developer. Those titles mean nothing anymore. People are selling 6 months courses for people to become AI engineers. Those titles mean nothing anymore because everyone has them. The job market is flooded with AI engineers, with data scientists, all competing for the same roles, all sounding exactly the same. The people getting hired fastest right now are the ones who position themselves at a very specific intersection. Not just an AI engineer, but a manufacturing AI engineer. Not just a data scientist, but an energy sector data scientist. Not just a software developer, but an industrial automation software engineer. Here is why this matters so much. When a recruiter is hunting for a manufacturing AI engineer, they are not finding many candidates. Their pool is very small, the competition is low, and the salary is high because the combination is rare. But when a recruiter is hunting for an AI engineer, they are drowning in applications. Therefore, the salary dwindles. Thousands of identical candidates are going to show up, all equally qualified on paper, all getting lost in the noise. So be intentional, be specific, be targeted on your own intersection, because your domain knowledge combined with your technical skills is not a limitation. This is your greatest competitive advantage, and most people never figure that out. Let me talk about one more thing before I close this out. Your headline, the first line of your resume, the thing every recruiter reads first. Most people write stuff like, I am an experienced professional seeking new opportunities in a dynamic and challenging environment. I need you to delete that immediately. That tells me nothing. Instead, your headline should say exactly who you are in one specific powerful line. Manufacturing AI engineer, Python, MQTT, predictive maintenance, industrial Internet of Things. It ends there. Let me give you another example. Industrial automation engineer, PLC programming, OPC UA, Python integration. It ends there. Specific, keyword rich immediately tells the reader exactly what you bring and matches the language of the job that you are applying for. The headline is the difference between a recruiter reading your resume and a recruiter moving to the next one. Well, let me bring all this together. If recruiters are not calling you, here is your action plan. Number 1, stop letting AI write your entire resume. Use it as a draft. Then humanize every single word. Number 2, build 3 master resumes targeted at 3 different role types. Tweak smartly for each application. Not a full rewrite every time. Number 3, cut your skills section down. Maybe 8 or 10 skills is enough for your resume, the ones you can defend in an interview. Death over breath always. Number 4, rewrite every bullet point to show impact, not responsibility. Numbers, results, achievements, every single line. Number 5, reposition yourself at your specific intersection, your domain plus your AI skills. This is your unfair advantage. Own it completely. Number 6, fix your headline. One specific powerful line that tells the recruiter exactly who you are before they read another word. Those 6 things, you have to do them, and I promise you, the silence will end. The calls will start coming, not because the market's changed, but because you finally gave recruiters a real reason to call you. Please do this and let me know how it goes. Once again, my name is Bots, and this is Boots and Bots. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and then drop a comment below if you like this video. Thank you.